dream of crafting a perfume that turns heads and captures hearts? Your journey starts here. Welcome to the world of international perfume design. Whether you're drawn to the exotic allure of Middle Eastern fragrances or the fresh notes of a tropical paradise, we've got you covered. Our training program isn't just about mixing oils, it's about turning your passion into a thriving business. Picture this: banana-scented oils, delicate florals and rich spices, all at your fingertips, waiting to be transformed into something extraordinary. Join us and learn from industry experts who'll guide you through every step of creating a renowned perfume house. From understanding fragrance families to mastering the art of blending, you'll gain the skills to make your mark on the global stage. So why wait? The world is ready for your signature scent. Step into your future as an internationally acclaimed perfume designer. Sign up today and start your journey toward crafting the fragrances that dreams are made of. Let's make some sensational magic together.